Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to log in into the Google Drive account of yours. So for you to do that, first of all, open the Google Drive application on your mobile device. You will be at the sign in page for the Google. So if you have a Google account, what you have to do is you just need to type in the email address or the phone number of your account. Type in the email address, then click on next. Now then type in the password and then click on next. Here you tap on I agree and this will get you logged in into the Google Drive account of yours. It is a very simple process. You just need to input the correct account credential, that is the email address and the correct password. Hope this video was useful on how you can log in into the Google Drive account of yours. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.